omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment. Where the Berk?
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic. We will let loose on this cougar. Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh, yes. Get more treats.
I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess. Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
Go for it. Turn off an LRM-20.
10-4.
You know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. Sir? I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots. And I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Ruh. I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces. You need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor. Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed. I'm rolling.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
Confirmed. Moving to position. On my way.
That print as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down. But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
We're gonna go over here. Think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah. What's building? Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Eh? There we go. That looks right. Load. Name.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think. Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs. Hopefully there's like at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go fan. Yeah. Turn off the Hyper Assault Gauss. I don't need to fire that.
Copy that. Roger. I'm there.
confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently,
Light damage. Holding firm.
dare you.
Standing by.
Cardon in the slow-ass Atlas. Move up that way. Normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. Hold up. Thumbs up. Oh. Okay. Well. You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by.
Well,
Good to go.
that is one less enemy to deal with. What? We're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledge, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed. Rolling.
I just, something tells me they're having a very bad day. Aim.
Acknowledged.
I've made a little bit of money. Nothing like significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the fire moth. That'll give me 3 fire moth pieces. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of Foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do. LRMs, Plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
I go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. What, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in turn? Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. Okay. Well. Turbo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret... Haha! Hey! Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
I at least did a little bit. Oh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's. Alright. Well, let's continue on our way.
Coordinates received.
Ooh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. Oh, yeah, she did. Hmm. Okay, so... Hey.
Coordinates received.
Okay, yeah. Don't know why there's... Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop...
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because... I mean... I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal. Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. Thank you for dropping that shout out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
Nor did he even have a chance of hitting this guy right now. I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck.
Ready for orders.
Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go right there.
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Kit Fox is going to be target A. That
You
means the
betcha.
shooting is going to start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, well, you aim for the head.
Roger. Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Cherokee, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Load. Yay! What? Doesn't... Oh, blood asp.
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
I think I hit something. Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool. Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them. I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah. Shady. You get to play with a new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
Much better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun, sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
If I go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head.
Aye. Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Phantom.
Heads now.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. And I could.
I copy. Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom.
Aye.
We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission?
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend. You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way.
Well,
How sweet it is to be a god.
isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. Yeah. We'll go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice.
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that some bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
You should say thank you to Sharky. Two, 6, 56. Damn. You know what? And if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go.